Il vaut mieux essayer.
Je crois que les amis comme ça.
Ce message va.
Well, there's always a beginning. Let her know it's a new phase between you two. Make her understand that she deserves every bit of your love and care. And won't be the reason for a broken home, Lawrence. Don't dare me. Do not dare me.
Eh? Pity your fragile heart. How does the way I eat concerns you for this driving? It's my business. It's my business because eating like a gluten in the Bible is a sin. Since the parent is eating banana, you can't party the start and then before I go miss my party jollof. You are going to eat jollof. But this one is still the same rice now. And you see that please just come down from the car. Come down from the car. Calm down. Calm down. You want finance, Abi? Wait. What our agreement? Our agreement is for you to take me to where I'm going to. If it's your money, I can give you back. I don't need your money. Even though you have the money, I will not take it. I want to enter this vehicle and reach where I'm going to. I say I don't want to go. You never see it together.
It moisturizes for longer than ever. When our skin looks this good, we show up more confidently. Here, and here. Nivea Rich Nourishing now with Hyaluronic. Nivea is for skin. Baby, I don't want to eat your this food. Yes. So bland.
No taste at all.
Do you know that Roman's pizza has this mess?
Any 2 large pizzas and 2 liter Pepsi for $199.90?
So are you gonna tell them?
Love, we don't want to eat it anymore.
The massive deal. Get any 2 large pizzas and a 2 liter Pepsi for only $199.90. Only at Roman's Pizza.
Mommy! I'm still coughing. I recommend Woods. New Woods Herbal delivers a triple action formula to relieve cough, soothe throat, and boost immunity during cough. New Woods Herbal.
Today, I'll be
It is now done. The tea is silent without drama. With drama.
Forcément atterrir entre les
Attends un peu.
entre le son et non possible. Meilleur l'isolement, comment on va faire? Il a le droit de recevoir des visites. Vérifiant s'il en a demandé. Très juste.
Il y a eu 3 cas identifiés ces derniers mois. Même procédé. Menace au couteau et puis viol avec connaissance des habitudes de victime.
Ouais, mais on n'a aucun élément pour trouver l'agresseur.